Alright, kindergarten, you are going to get your math expressions homework and remembering packet out of your materials you picked up yesterday. So your new materials, you're going to get out your math expressions packet. It has a seahorse on the front, and we're going to do the first page, the front and back of the first page. So the first page looks like this. It has dots and numbers on the side, and we are going to do this together. So it says ring groups are the number, cross out groups that are not the number. So we see 6 here first, and we're going to count the dots, and we're going to cross out the ones that are not 6 and circle the ones that are 6. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is not 6, so we're going to cross it out. We're going to continue that throughout the whole page. So we're going to count whether it's 6, and if it is 6, we will circle it, and if it's not 6, we'll cross it out. And we'll do the same thing with 7, 8, 9, and 10. You finish the first page counting each circle with the number, crossing out and circling the right number groups. You'll turn the page, and on the back of that page you will see this page. And we are going to practice writing the number 8. So you're going to trace each 8, right? Tracing it, practicing our best 8 from top to bottom line. And then you're going to have a chance to do it all on your own. So they have already a dot for each time that you should be practicing writing the number 8. And then when you finish writing the number 8, you're going to go up into the drawing box, and you are going to make a group of 8 drawings. So you can do any drawing you want. You can do a group of 8 triangles, 8 hexagons like we learned this week, 8 trees, 8 cats, whatever you want to draw once it's a group of 8. When you are finished, you can shut the packet and put it back in your learning material. When you are finished with that for your first time using that packet.